add your dark chocolate together with butter, and we're going to melt this in a microwave for 30 seconds until it's nice and soft. In a different bowl, add your eggs and whisk them together. Then add sugar and whisk everything until it's nice and smooth. And then add your cool chocolate. Make sure it's not hot so you don't cook your eggs. Just whisk everything together until it becomes nice and glossy, just like that. Then add your sifted flour and mix everything again. Just gently, do not overmix the mixture. You want to make sure that it's all incorporated but it's still quite runny. Into your chocolate mixture add amaretto and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Next, take your ramekins and spray with some cooking oil around, and then we're going to add some cocoa powder and sprinkle it inside so that the cakes do not stick to the ramekin. Scoop about 1 large tablespoon of the mixture. Then add 1 teaspoon of your chocolate ganache or chocolate spread, whatever you have in your kitchen, and top it up with more chocolate on top. We're going to bake these for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven and the temperature you use, and until they're kind of nice and wobbly in the middle and firm around. Next, we're going to make amaretto cream, which is amazing. Add your heavy or double cream into a bowl and then add a shot of amaretto and then whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't overmix the mixture and it should look just like that. Into your frying pan, add your almonds, and then I'm going to add sugar. And I'm using high heat, which I'm gonna caramelize these delicious nuts. Just for a few minutes, cook them and keep mixing them around so they don't burn. You'll start to see the caramelization and the change in color. So they should look just like that. Gently flip your chocolate amaretto lava cake onto a serving plate. Put some icing sugar and then decorate with some fresh fruit, and then I'm going to top it up with my amaretto cream on the top as well with my caramelized almond nuts. Then when you cut inside each lava cake, you will see a chocolate oozing out, and that flavor of amaretto cream, amaretto chocolate is to die for, guys. If you're a fan of amaretto, you're gonna love this chocolate lava cake with amaretto. Make sure to check out all my other lava cake creations. I've got tons and tons for you. So I hope you enjoy this cake and enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and leave all your comments down below. And just now you will see loads of other video ideas.